Hi, welcome to Lynch Truck Center. You're looking at the newest edition, just arrived from Chattanooga. It's a 2019 Kenworth W900. It's got the Hurd bumper, 20,000 pound front axles, 605 horsepower, 18 speed, dual stacks. We did a lot of different stuff on this. It's got the lights along the side as far as these work lights. It's got a lot of Millenium work lights on it. 2 light bars, one above the cab, one there, one on the pylon. Stainless steel dress-up kit for the turret winches. M6s, 2, 4, 6 sets of M6s on it. It's got the knee boom with the 5th winch on it. Incredible reach on this bad boy. Dual camera setup. Stainless steel dress up for the turret winches for underneath. It's got the spades underneath there for the underbody legs. Did this thing two-tone black and white, obviously. Giving you a good look at it here. It's got the Hurd bumper on it. Here's the light bar on the top. It's got the spreader bar. Inside the toolboxes. It's got a lot of storage in this thing. Got the flashing kit on the back side of the doors. Wireless tow light kit, color keyed handles, MMO system. It's got the big scene light on it. If you're interested in this bad boy, call Lynch Truck Center. www.lynchtruckcenter.com. Again, here she is. This thing could be yours.